channel. If you're new around here, then my name is Emma and it's a pleasure to have you with us today. Before we go any further, please make sure you hit subscribe down below to make sure that you never miss a post. Super excited today, guys. Yesterday I went to Ikea. Absolutely love Ikea. For any of you that have not been recently, get out there. I got two little stools yesterday and they're iconic Ikea stools. $7.99 each. I've marked my page with my super cute little doggy paper dog clip. Okay, you look at him. Alright, guys. This little stool here, believe you say the Marius stool, not sure. Iconic Ikea stool, $7.99. Yesterday I bought two and today I'm going to show you how to do 2 quick hacks with them. As you can see, I'm unwrapping stool number 1 and just setting it up exactly like the instructions said. All I needed was a screwdriver and it was actually really simple. I then took some liquid nails and what I've got here is a beautiful little tray that I bought from Ikea. It is pastel pink and you will see it shortly. The tray was $11.99. So all up, this DIY table only cost me $19. I'm just pressing down to make sure that the stool sticks between the tray and the platter, and then I'm popping it outside to dry. And how amazing is the pattern? I'm doing a close-up here. The tray is beautiful. I love the pastel pink and the geometric pattern. And here I am setting up my little table and it was literally that easy. I let my table dry for 24 hours and it fits perfectly next to my couch. Alright, stool number 2, doing the exact same thing, unwrapping it, setting it up exactly to the instructions. Except with this one, I'm going to be taking it outside to spray paint it. I've actually given it a coat of primer underneath and now I'm spray painting with a gold spray paint on top. I let this one dry for 24 hours to make sure that it was completely dry. I've then taken a fluffy cushion and I'm opening up the zip. I'm placing the top of the stool inside the cushion and then I'm just cutting out little holes where the little screws attach to the top of the chair. A little tip with your cushion, if it does start to get worn, you can actually use a brush to just brush it out. I'm then simply attaching the legs to the top of the chair that's inside the cushion and it makes a cute little stool. The best thing about this stool is you can actually remove the cushion to replace it if you want, or you can also take it off really easily to put it in the wash. And here is my stool at my desk. Coco was pretty excited because it was very fluffy. It feels absolutely amazing and it looks so cute. The cushion was $8 from Kmart and the stool was $8 from Ikea, so it was only $16 and I absolutely love this little cushion. Alright guys, thanks for coming today. I hope that I've been able to inspire you with some different ways that you can look at some Ikea furniture because it's an amazing price point and you can do some awesome things for really cheap. If you've got any favourite Ikea products that you want to see a hack or a DIY with, comment below and let me know and I'll see what I can do. Get out to Ikea, new catalogue is amazing. There were so many things I could have bought but didn't. I forgot it in the intro, but please subscribe to my socials, Facebook, Instagram, and if you make anything from today, please use the hashtag MMADIY. Thanks guys and I can't wait till next time. Bye!